digital age where online advertising is as common as the air we breathe, there's a hidden predator lurking in the depths of the internet: malvertising. This video will take you on a journey through the history of malvertising, its current use, and practical tips to avoid falling into its traps. What is malvertising? Malvertising, or malicious advertising, is a cyber threat that involves embedding malware within digital advertisements. These ads can appear on any website, even those considered reputable, and can infect a user's computer with spyware, ransomware, or other malicious software without a single click. A brief history. The concept of malvertising is not new. It emerged around 2007, but gained significant traction in 2010 when attackers began exploiting ad networks to distribute malware at scale. High-profile websites like Spotify fell victim, signaling a wake-up call to the online advertising industry. The rise of malvertising. Over the years, malvertising has become more sophisticated. Cybercriminals have shifted from blatant attacks to more covert operations, using real-time bidding and ad retargeting to serve malware more efficiently. The results: a steady incline in malvertising incidents, with attackers continually finding new ways to exploit vulnerabilities in the digital ad ecosystem. Spotting malvertising. Identifying malvertising can be tricky, but there are 3 signs. Number 1, ads that look out of place or poorly designed. Number 2, offers that seem too good to be true. Number 3, urgent calls to action based on fear or curiosity. Avoiding the pitfalls. Here are some strategies to steer clear of malvertising. Update your software. Keep your operating system, browser, and applications up to date with the latest security patches. Use ad blockers. Ad blocking software can prevent many malvertisements from appearing. Install antivirus. A robust antivirus program can detect and neutralize malware before it does harm. Be skeptical. If an ad seems suspicious, it's best to avoid interacting with it altogether. The psychology behind the click. Why do people fall for malvertising? It often boils down to a basic human psychology. We're curious, we seek rewards, and we respond to urgency. Malvertising exploits these traits by crafting ads that pique interests or create a false sense of urgency to trick users into clicking. Staying safe. The fight against malvertising is ongoing, but by staying informed and cautious, you can significantly reduce your risk of infections if you remember the following. Educate yourself. Learn about the latest malvertising techniques. Use security tools. Employ network-level security solutions for added protection. Back up your data. Regular backups can save you from data loss in case of an attack. Conclusion: malvertising is a silent but deadly threat in the vast ocean of digital advertising. By understanding its history, Recognizing how it's used today and implementing measures to avoid its pitfalls, you can navigate the web more safely. Stay safe, secure, and be vigilant. Update regularly and don't let curiosity lead you into dangerous waters. See you again soon. Bye, and thanks for watching and listening.